Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, and I'm back after like 5 months of not uploading. I don't know, I've just had a couple crazy months recently. I was cramming for New York Comic Con, which went great. I'm gonna do a whole separate video about that. I completely didn't talk about one costume that I was gonna bring there. I last left off with Robin. I completely forgot to mention this Spider-Man replica suit that I made from Civil War. If you look at the prototype suit for Civil War, what they were gonna use for Spider-Man, I recreated that suit. So I got a file made, I customized it, I got these emblems made, front and back, they're made of urethane. I got the webs puff painted on there. I even have the soles done up that I did myself, which was so hard to put boots on, but it's my first legit Spidey suit that I am really happy with, so I'm going to make a whole separate video about this. I wore this on Sunday of New York Comic Con, and it was super fun because I've always wanted to do a Spider-Man suit, but I was always nervous of doing it because there are so many Spider-Man out there, but I figured this would be kind of a fresh style, a fresh design that I haven't seen a lot of people do. So stay tuned for a full-length video of this suit. Anyway, the main topic of this video that I want to discuss is my name change. I changed the name of the channel from Fucus 101 to Luke 101 because I made that name in like 2010 when I first started YouTube, and it was a name that my friends had given me at school just as a nickname because my name's Lucas, and then they called me Fucus, and then my friend Andrew, his name was Nandrew, and we had all these weird goofy made up nicknames. So I made a YouTube channel just for fun, and I figured I would name it that. But after I kind of gained a bit of a following on here, I've been kind of nervous on changing it because that's what everyone knows me by, but I've kind of, I don't know, I wanted to rebrand myself, rename the channel because it's a goofy sounding name. Not a lot of people know how to pronounce it. Some people call me fuck ass, some call me Fucus, some call me random weird stuff that isn't accurate to what my actual name of the channel is. So I figured I would just change it to my name, Luke 101, because this channel is just everything about me, and hopefully people don't have a problem with that. I just needed a fresh start, fresh name, so I can just say, hey guys, it's Luke here, instead of hey guys, it's Fucus 101 here. It's just a goofy sounding name, and I never really liked it as I got older. I just wanted to clear that up in case some of you had been coming to check on my uploads and noticed, hey, wait a minute, his name is different. So all my intros are going to be different from now on. All my channel art and my profile icon, they're all changed. So that's me now, I'm Luke 101. Nice to meet you. Coming up, I need to make a lot of videos catching up on what I've been working on. I recently got a 3D printer, which is amazing. It's a Creality CR10S, and I've just been printing like mad on this thing. I've started commissions, so I'm printing things for people, painting them up. I recently made one of these. This is a wingding, or one of Robin / Nightwing's batarangs. So I modeled this in Fusion 360 and then brought it into Cura and printed it out. So yeah, I've been printing up a lot of things like this. I printed my web shooters for my SpiderMan suit. Those came out awesome. Those are my very first official original prop that I finished up, and I really like how they came out. I was really pleased with them. It feels so good to finally be able to design my own original products and, you know, paint them up and ship them out to people that can enjoy them as much as I do. These are things that I can print and paint up in no more than a day or two, and I love doing stuff like this. So that's one thing that is new about me, is I'm now a 3D printer prop maker, which is really fun. So that's pretty much it. That's basically all I wanted to say for now. Channel name change, I'm a 3D printer, new Spider-Man suit that I'm going to make a video about, and hopefully I can continue to upload regularly because I love it and I haven't done it in a while and I miss it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being patient. I'm sorry if you were wondering where the hell I went, but until next time, this is Luke 101. See ya.